It's a 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated and ventilated leather sport seats, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0102.